Hello children, in this video we are going to learn class 10 circle chapter exercise 4.2 fourth and fifth sums. First we'll see the fourth sum. Question they have given as prove that the tangents drawn at the end points of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Here they did not give the diagram. First we'll draw the diagram here. We have to draw a circle and a diameter of the circle. Prove that the tangents drawn at the end points of a diameter of a circle are parallel. First I will draw a circle here of a center O and the diameter AB I will take. AB is the diameter of the circle. We have to draw the tangents at the end points of the diameters. Here the end points of the diameters are A is the end point of diameter and AB are the B is one more end point of the diameter. We have to draw the two tangents here. I will take one tangent as a PQ and one more tangent as a RS. Okay. And here we want to prove that these two tangents are parallel to each other. For that, first what I have drawn, just I will write that. Let AB be the diameter of the circle. Solution will take. Let AB be the diameter of the circle and two tangents PQ and RS are drawn at A and B respectively. Your tangents PQ and RS are drawn at a point A and B respectively. Now we know one thing here. Here OA and OB are the tangents and PQ and RS are the radius of the circles. Therefore, always radius is perpendicular to the tangent of the circle. So, I can write OA is perpendicular to RS and OB is perpendicular to PQ, because we know that always radius will be perpendicular to the tangent of the circle. That I will write of. Since radius is perpendicular to the tangent, therefore I can write OA is perpendicular to RS and also OB is perpendicular to PQ. Now here perpendicular means here it is 90 degree. Here it is 90 degree, here also it is 90 degree. 90, 90, 90, 90 degree. Then I can write all these angles are equal to 90 degree. Just I will write that OAR is equal to 90 degree, OAS is equal to 90 degree and OBP is equal to 90 degree and OBQ is also equal to 90 degree. Now just you observe, these two are the parallel lines and this is a transversal. Like these two parallel lines, one transversal is there, means these two are called as interior alternate angles. These are called as interior alternate angles, like that only here. OAR and OBR, interior alternate angles, are equal to 90 degree. Therefore, I will write these two, this one and this one. OAR is equal to OBQ. Similarly, OAS is equal to this angle and this angle. OBP. Both also interior alternate angles are equal. If interior angles are equal, lines will be parallel. It is understood. Since we'll write that reason. If interior angles are equal, this RS is parallel to PQ. Since interior, last year 9th standard you learned one postulate there. If the interior alternate angles of the lines are equal, then lines will be parallel. If two lines if you draw and one transversal if you draw, if interior alternate angles are equal, then lines will be parallel by the postulate. Since interior alternate angles are equal, then PQ and RS will be parallel. Therefore, PQ is parallel to RS. This is the result we want to prove here. They told to prove tangents drawn at the end points of the diameter are parallel to each other. So, PQ and RS are the end points. PQ and RS are the tangent drawn at the end points of the diameter. So, this parallel we proved here. Now, we will see the fifth sum. Fifth sum, they have given that prove that the perpendicular at the end point of the contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Here, for that, first I will draw a circle. With the center O. What they are saying, prove that perpendicular at the end point of a contact. This is a point of contact. I will take this as a R and this tangent I will take as a PQ. Point of the contact to the tangent to a circle. This is a tangent to a circle, passes through the center. Means this line, which line is perpendicular to the tangent, that line is passes through the center we want to prove here. That is already we know, just we have to prove this result by contradiction method. Contradiction method means this line is not passing through the center we should assume, then our result is wrong, we have to prove and we should prove the result here. So for that one more point I will take here, that is not a center, O dash I will take this point is passing through the O dash, means O dash is not a center here. So just I will assume like that. We will prove this by solution. We will prove this sum by the contradiction method, means wrong assumption we will do and our assumption is wrong. Then we have to say that OR is passing through the center only. Like that we have to prove this result. So for that we will prove this result by the method of, we will write that. We will prove this by the method of contradiction. So let us assume that O dash is a center. O dash is center. Just to assume that O dash is center here. O dash is center means this OR is perpendicular to PQ. We know that. So ORQ is also 90 degree. We should write it ORQ. So ORQ, always tangent. This O dash R is also radius. No, ORQ is also 90 degree. We should write there. This is 90 degree. This is you take as equation 1. And already we know that ORQ. Sorry, this one you write as OR dash. O dash RQ is also 90 degree because radius is always perpendicular to the, what is the reason for this? This O dash R, if you are taking O dash as a center means, this O dash to R is also radius. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, the reason for this, why it is 90 degree? Because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Here PQ is the tangent and O dash R is the radius, because O dash we taken as a center here. We are assuming like that. It is not a center, but we are assuming. Wrong assumption we are doing here. By method of contradiction we have to prove. Now already they have given that O is the center. So ORQ is also equal to 90 degree. This is equation 2. Now from 1 and 2 both also equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, O dash RQ is equal to ORQ. But it is wrong. But O dash RQ means this O dash RQ is smaller than ORQ. By seeing this diagram only we can identify. Smaller than ORQ. Therefore, O and O dash must coincide each other. Means O dash we should not take other point. O dash should be a center there. Means it should coincide on that only. Therefore, O is the center of the circle and OR is perpendicular to peak. Coincide. If they coincide means O also will come here. So it will, this line will pass through the center of the circle. OR is perpendicular to PQ here. Like this we should prove this result. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.